What's going on, everybody? I'm back. I was going through some stuff. Sorry, I've been gone for a long time. Even though nobody probably watches my channel anymore, I don't care because I'm super proud of this piece I just did. Wish I would have filmed it, but I didn't because my buddy has my camera stand. I am absolutely stoked on how this turned out, and I'm not even kidding you. Like, this was becoming an absolute headache. I bought this 3D printed like maybe 2 weeks ago. Just started messing with it. I used give me a second. Yeah, Apple Barrel. Anywho, I'm filming this on cinematic, so if this doesn't focus, I'm gonna have to keep touching this camera so it does. Okay. So anywho, this was the first attempt, and the movie has absolutely no pictures of the mask at all, and even in the ones you do find, it's like terrible lighting, so whatever. But do not wash this mask. It is not the right way to go at all. It looks terrible. This isn't good at all to me. This looks awful to me. This looks absolutely terrible. Anywho, repainted this exact same color I used. Didn't wash it this time though. I dry brushed it. Look at this. Look at that. Oil paints, dry brushing. This just, trust me on this. Dry brushing is the way to go, especially with oil paints. Just look at all this detail you can get in this. And it sucks because, you know, this mask actually has a ton of detail in it that you don't even see in the movie because of the way it's painted. But, I mean, the way it's painted like this is still dope. But as you can see the difference, it just looks, it's night and day. It's 10 times better. I am going to repaint this today. Maybe I'll film that if I get my camera stand back. So this isn't dry yet, so I'm not going to mess with it that much. But it's not going to focus. It's not going to do it. There you go. Just the detail on that. It just looks 10 times better. It's insane. Just look at that. Just look at that. You can't even see it because it's blurry. You can't even see it. How about this one? Can you see that one? No. I love it. And I'm probably going to have a nightmare trying to do the straps, but I don't care. It's probably going to suck, but... alright. Yeah. But I really do appreciate you guys watching the channel. Remember, have a great day and stay classy.